What's up, Print Squad? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be printing a couple things and opening a package. So if you guys want to see what I got going on, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
All right, Print Squad. First off, I put a different filter on my camera today. I actually hadn't been using the filters, but just trying a little something out. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the video, if it looks any difference. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing right here, I have a couple of Print Squad shirts that I'm going to be printing. So I'm gonna go ahead and set those up. I'm gonna go ahead and do the test print, set those up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and print them and get them ready to ship. I'm trying to ship them out today. Somebody just ordered them today, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to ship them out today. And also I'm gonna be unboxing some and possibly doing another thing on here if I have time. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can get done. All right, I got everything set up, got the Print Squad logo. I need to replace this palette right here. But since I only had a couple of shirts to print, I'll do that at a later time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the test print so I can try to go ahead and get these Print Squad shirts printed and shipped out today. All right, so I'm gonna warm this up slightly. I'm using the Total Ink Solutions all-purpose white. Let you check that out right here. Total Ink Solutions all-purpose white ink. Now we'll get some ink on my hand, so let me get that off. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop this test print down on here and let you guys check it out. Let me see. All right, it's trying to get through. Yeah, I had this screen kind of still setting up, so it's taking a little bit. You know, sometimes when you have the screen set up like that, the ink just kind of gets thick and kind of a little bit hard to deal with. It's not going to really dry unless it gets up to 320 degrees, but it can get a little bit stiff and kind of hard to work with. So trying to get those couple of spots out. Yeah, I'm gonna just spray a little bit of, I'm gonna show you the print right here. The print is coming out okay, but it's a couple of little areas I want to fix. So I'm gonna get this right here, and I'm gonna get some screen opener and move that from underneath there. I'm gonna spray it in here in these couple of spots. Make sure this is screen opener I'm using. Put some gloves on too. Got one other little area I'm gonna try just to make sure that it's gonna be good. So we should be good to go now. I'm gonna do one more test print just to be safe before I print the actual shirts. Grab this same shirt and put another Print Squad print on here. Okay, got it that time. I'm gonna go ahead and print the shirts. I always like to warm up the shirts a little bit before I start printing, you know, just in case they shrink a little bit, especially when I'm having to do like white ink or multicolors. All right, so we're ready to go. Think you got it. right, Print Squad, I have a package right here that I got actually yesterday, but didn't get a chance to open it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys and let you see what's inside. All right, this was ordered from eBay, and go ahead and open it up. All right, so you guys see what this is right here. It is actually more button supplies right here, as you see. So I have a person that I order from on eBay right here. I'll leave the link down below in case you're interested. This is for the off-brand Badger Minute button backs. You know, it's like the pen backs. It's like the front shell and also the Mylar. They're a whole lot cheaper than having to purchase from the Badger Minute website, and that, you know, they work pretty well. As you saw in my other video, they work pretty well, so I will continue purchasing from them. And if you're interested, I'll leave a link down below. And also, I want to make an announcement for you guys. I am going to be doing some Print Squad buttons. I'm going to be selling them on the T-Shirt Chick store page. So that's tshirtchicktv.com. So yeah, you can go to I can't even talk. You can go to tshirtchicktv.com, and I will have those up within the next couple of days. So hopefully by the time this video drops, you will be able to purchase the pinback buttons on there. And that's about all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video or found it helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already, and also subscribe to the T-Shirt Chick live channel, because I do live streams on that channel every day. So if you have questions and things like that, or just want to hang out, you can join us at 10:30 a.m. Monday through Friday on the red channel. But you got to subscribe to that channel. That's the T-Shirt Chick live channel, and the one where I have the red t-shirt. And also follow me on Instagram and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And if you're interested in any of these supplies or equipment that I use in my videos, I'll leave links for you down below this video, so be sure to check those links out. And I will see you guys in another video. Print Squad out.